Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I hope you had a great Christmas. It's December 24th. I'm out here and I can wait for cars to go by again. Dude. I'm literally sitting on the main road, you know, as I intro the video, because what I want to do is I want to trudge out. So the road is actually behind the camera, but I just want to trudge out and try to find a new spot to go to, because down the road there is I may record it as I leave, but there was a Forest Service road that went up, and I don't know how far it went, because it when I went up, I drove up there in my Jeep. It was really bumpy and really rough. So I just turned around and I didn't want to go up there. I would have in the truck, but I didn't want to in the car. Which I'm not driving the truck today. I haven't been for a couple months because I'm still waiting for a part. Otherwise I can't start it without the lock cylinder. So I had to order a new one because I broke the key. Anyway, but there were campsites up that road which are now no longer available because the road is closed off, and here comes another car. So alright, I decided to give up on the road. It was just too noisy. Too much constant noise. So I'm just freehanding it on I'm actually just holding the camera. So I apologize for the wiggle and whatnot. But I'm looking for like a new suitable campsite for potential videos down the road. It kind of looks to me like this is sort of a trail that's either maybe a game trail or a people trail. Hard to say. I'm really just trying to take it easy and not trip and fall, because that would, well, one, it would suck, but two, good way to get hurt. Well, got a nice snap to it. That would make great firewood. So okay, what do we got here? It kind of seems like it comes to an end, sort of. Everything's buried in snow. So that's what I'm looking at. Now, where I did my one match fire is actually up in that area, and then Forest Camp is farther up that way. So and I can hear the river ahead of me, so I think I might go around this, just because I don't know what's under the snow and I don't really want to twist my ankle. So I'm gonna kill the camera and then go back and go see if I can go around. So using this new tripod for the first time. It's I got it at Kenmore Camera, and it's one of those expandable ones. It's $1.99, so super cheap. I just screw it onto the bottom and then I can use it. But I'm probably going to keep the camera in the bag while I basically trudge that way. Okay, even though I just did a less shroud shot walking away, I don't know if you can see it. I just found someone's lean-to out here. We're gonna have to go check that out. But you know, I'm gonna have to find a way to navigate through all those down trees. I'm thinking I'll just go this way. It kind of looks like there's a trail. I'm gonna have to I brought a chair and it just got hung up on a branch, so I'll kill. Okay, so I want to clarify something really quick. You probably just saw me pull those out. You can see how they'd come undone here. I don't know if they just slipped off, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to dismantle it or anything. I mean, if anything, I kind of want to just make improvements on it. Maybe fix it up for them. It's obviously it hadn't been here in a while, just because of the condition of everything. I like it though. I like it a lot. This needs to be picked up. Although I'm kind of wrestling with a tough decision. I mean, do I mess with it or try to make it a little bit better, or just pick it up, or do I just leave it as is? I'm actually pretty impressed. I think they did a great job. Excuse me. So I don't want to come in and, you know, I mean, I guess you could say it's uncool to even be here because, you know, it's someone else's camp, but it's national forest, so, you know, first come, first serve. But then again, you know, I like to pick up the garbage, but I didn't bring any trash bags with me. So I knew I wouldn't need any where I was going to be trudging out at. I might just pile everything up and maybe come back out here with a bag, trash bag, and clean up, take it out with me. So that's almost a whole thing of syrup too. They must have been having pancakes. So there's that, and then there's this, which, you know, garbage. And then there's this. So all this will be picked up. Maybe next time I come out, I'll clean it up. I know we're not supposed to build and leave sites up, but, you know, finding this was really, really cool. I think I'm going to go try to get some dry firewood and get my lunch going. So I got to go forage for it. Shouldn't be a problem. I kind of want to check out over there too. I might go do that first. Maybe I'll look on the way.